Ostrich racing, one of the strangest and funniest sports in the world. It started in Africa, where ostriches are native, but later became popular in the United States, especially in places like Florida and Arizona. Just like horse racing, jockeys climb onto the back of these massive birds, but there's a twist. Ostriches are fast, unpredictable, and definitely not easy to ride. They can sprint up to 70 kilometers per hour, and most riders end up falling off in seconds. Some races even use small carts pulled by ostriches instead, but it's still pure chaos. Today, ostrich racing is seen more as entertainment than a serious sport, but it remains a hilarious reminder of how humans will try to race on just about anything.